Nicki took the opportunity to address the hate train that she's been dealing with on social media in the last few years, as well as her critics and haters within the industry.
If you didn't learn something, learn this. When the queen had fell back, and you Rusties and Dusties had all them hit tweets on the hate train and all that, did it stop anything? No. You know what you did? You made the queen even more iconic. Because here I was, didn't even have the motherfucking social media apps on my motherfucking phone. And I'm told I bitch was trending every motherfucking day. Why? 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 Because I am such a polarizing fucking figure that people who don't like me actually are obsessed with me. They scrutinize my every fucking move, and they can't help but to mention my fucking name and every single thing. Remember I told y'all 2022 was not the year to play with me? Huh? 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 Now, the reason why, and I want y'all to listen real fucking close. I want y'all to get y'all Q-tips, bitch. Roll y'all Q-tips out, bitch. Okay? Now, the reason why I said not to play with me this year, DJ Booth, and I want y'all to really listen. I'm talking in my deeper voice. No coughing. Oh, get your mask on. What the? Cough. I'm talking in my deeper voice so that everyone respects me. Okay, today, this is my, you know what I mean? I'm giving your fired voice. Yeah. The reason why I told you guys 2022 was not to play with me is because God already told me. God already told me something. God showed me something. What He was going to do with every single human being that lied on me, that treated me like shit when I treated them well, that conspired. You see that word, conspired. Now, a lot of times people think that if they didn't actually do something to a person, they didn't actually say something or whatever, right? That they can still pretend, they're innocent. But some people on this planet have like, I hate to say it like this because I know this is going to sound funny, but some people on this planet have special powers, like secrets, like superpowers, and I'm one of those people. And one of those superpowers is that I can know what's being said, what's being done, who's doing it together without me knowing, in a way that you would think I would find out about something. And I've always had that. Okay. But the reason why I tweeted that about 2022, because God showed me what was about to happen. So please don't mistake cockiness for, or sometimes when you see someone have like this reassurance, sometimes you can think it's cockiness, but
confidence.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. But everybody always uses the word confidence in comparison. But I think there's an assurance, right? And actually, it comes from when you already see something and you know the outcome but nobody else knows the outcome yet. And you're just standing there waiting for that outcome now. And the thing is, you guys, how many times have I fallen back? How many times have I fallen back? How many times did I take months away and let everybody do their thing? But every single time, Onika Tanya Mirage is back amongst the people, my fans, enjoying my fans, having fun with my fans, like I did in 2010 to 2007. When did I come to Twitter, you guys? Barbs. Every time Onika Tanya is being Onika Tanya. Oh, and shout out to all my ops that's listening. Hey, ops. And shout out to all my fake, the ones that pretend to be your fans. But here's the thing. Nobody wants you to fall flat on your face more than the person who wants to be just like you. I want you to hear that. And a lot of times, a person that wants to be just like you comes in the form of a friend, comes in the form of a fan. But there's sometimes the ones in the back secretly hoping, yo, please let this bitch just go. I can't take it no more. And the answer is no, ho. The answer is no. Okay? And so here we are, gathered today. You know what? Let me play a little snippet of Queen Mix, because I think it's about that motherfucking. I think it's about that motherfucking. I think Okay, y'all. Now take 2 minutes. Go. Use hand sanitizer. Go to the potty. Fix your lipstick, lip gloss. Do whatever it is you gotta do. Okay. Because I think I want to get them a little taste. But let me say this, y'all. Yeah. When I tell y'all ain't seen nothing yet. Okay. So even after Queen Mix comes out tonight at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard, I want you to know, you dirty, stinking heifers got something. You got a lot of motherfucking. You don't even know, bitch. But I gave you warning after warning after warning after. Here's the thing. A lot of times people get so far, like in too deep, but their ego won't let them stop an about face. Do you know what I mean, DJ Booth? Because you look like you practically sleep. Excuse me.
No, I'm listening. I hear you.
The thing is, I was gonna get him a jewel, but I'm not gonna get him because I know like my ops are so obsessed. But here's the thing. Sometimes even when you see that you might have opened a can of worms, right? Your ego mixed with people in your corner causes you to keep going to that fatality. But the people in your corner, those people in your ear that keep egging you on, they're not the ones that's going to feel that hit. They're not going to feel it. And in fact, when you feel that hit, they're going to make every reason in the book why and how they told you maybe you shouldn't have did that. Because when you're winning, everyone's ha-ha, yay, yay. Brr. But when you're getting a spanking, everybody's like, I don't want no part. You understand? The difference between me and a lot of people that's barking up the wrong tree, I can I can play the bad guy because I have a real fan base who knows the real me, who knows the core me, my heart, everything, right? But when a person comes in or around some shit pretending to be a good person, they can't break out of that role. If they break out of that character, especially not having a real dedicated fan base, it's lights out. But everybody wanna ball with Jordan. Cause you just wanna see your motherfucking names and lights next to Jordan. But it's things Jordan is gonna be able to do that not only can't you do it, but you don't know what the fuck is about to happen if you do it. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So now when I come back, babies, I'm going to get a little bit into this queen mix. Okay, babies. So I'm going to take 2 minutes and come right back. Love you.